Hey everyone, it's Ryan from SportRx, and we're at the beautiful Catalina Island on the Prospector Boat with my good friend Bob, the California community leader for the Costa Pros, and today he's here to teach me about Bonito, how to eat it, how to catch it, what makes it great about it, and why it's such a good introductory fish for young fishermen. And make sure to stay tuned and learn about it. So Bob, we're out here in Catalina, and then as a new fisherman, I want to know what is a bonito fish? Where do they usually in California, or how do you catch them? How do you cook them? Like, no, give me the full one-on-one about bonito.
So the bonito is a perfect inshore game fish for Southern California. The bonito are migrating up and down the coast looking for bait fish. And one of the best ways to locate a school of bonito is what we call trolling. And I have this little jet head set up.
Nice.
This is called the Predator Prey Rig.
Okay.
It's got the two smaller hoochies in front, jet head at the end here.
With the hook, gotcha.
This causes all sorts of commotion. We're gonna troll it 6 to 8 knots here.
Oh yeah, absolutely, yeah. I can just get
that thing's gonna dance along the surface at trolling speed. And then I got these hoochies out in front that look like smaller bait fish getting away from this.
Gotcha.
As the bonito, they'll come in and ambush this rig on a jig strike. Then you want your anglers to switch over to live bait. So again, we're back to our live bait outfit.
Gotcha.
As soon as we get a jig bite, want to grab a live sardine. And as the boat is sliding to a stop,
do the nose hook.
We're gonna nose hook it.
Okay.
And you can use light tackle. This is 25 pound. You can fish, 15 and 20, even 12 or 8.
Nice, very versatile.
And it's great for the kids. And what you want to do after on a trolling hookup is slide that bait back in the wake, and the rest of the school will come up to the boat.
Gotcha.
And hopefully you can pick one off there. And if you want to fish the lures, a great bonito lure is the jerk shad.
The jerk shack, okay.
And this is a little sled head that we call, and the hook is actually weedless, so it comes up through the body here. And after a jig strike, you want to cast that back behind the boat.
Okay.
And with the jerk shad, you want to do 3 cranks and stop, and that jerk shad is going to sink down into the depths.
Does that make it look like a dead fish?
Exactly.
Oh, gotcha.
3 cranks, stop, 3. It looks like a wounded bait fish, and those bonito are going to come in and hammer it. So these 3 techniques are a perfect way to get kids into fishing bonito along the coast. If you take good care of your fish, you bleed it, ice it down, they're actually not bad.
Not bad, okay.
Yeah, not bad for, I've done fish tacos on.
Love it.
Ceviche,
Ooh,
even,
yeah, that's great.
So if bonito is properly bled and iced, it's not bad as a food source. Again, if you're on a private boat, you can start trolling. You're looking for bird life, spots of anchovies, sardines, outside kelp lines. And so this is our search and destroy.
Yep. search and
destroy rig. After we find them on that, we can go to the live bait or the jerk shads, crocodile, swim baits, anything works good.
So out of these 3, which would you say is the most efficient that you've in your past, or it's kind of different for each?
If you're getting kids into bonito fishing, I like to start with live bait.
Live bait, okay.
Yeah, it's going to be easy for them. Get them understanding how to hook the bait. You can nose hook it, no weight. Have the kids cast it out, and they're gonna catch bonito.
And what's your favorite that you like to use?
I like using the little jerk shack.
Jerk shack,
yeah, it's just fun to catch them on the lures. But if you have a tank of live bait on the boat, you can keep the school around.
Gotcha.
And they're great little fighters. I mean, it's in the tuna family, and it's going to give you a little fight there before you get it up to the boat.
That's awesome. I love it. Well, that is a lot of good information, Bob. Thank you. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, we'll look forward to your comments. Have a good one.